Hey guys, welcome back to Teppie's Funhouse. And I'm sorry for that big delay. It's been 8 months. I can't believe that. Well, today we're going to unbox these Pound Puppies newborns. If you didn't know, Puppies are so old.
They're from the 80s when I was little.
Yeah. So let's open him up. Comment down below what should we name him. He has a diaper. That's so weird. Well,
he's a baby.
I'm going to show you around because he has like a red collar. That's cute. Green eyes.
Let me see his face.
Yeah, he's so cute.
He is cute.
He's like, comment down below if we should name him. He's so cute. I love how they put the symbol on his diaper.
Is there anything else in the box? I think you get papers too.
Yeah, you get papers? Whoa.
Your adoption papers.
Yeah, my adoption papers. So sticky. Look at it. Here's the one of the papers. You could get, these are all the things you could get. You get these ones, or when you flip it around, you could get these ones. I like this one, he's cute.
Yeah, they are cute.
And this one, it shows you, it tells you like,
You gotta write his name.
Your name is a loving owner and an adorable Pound Puppy. My Pound Puppy's name is blank. I adopt my Pound Puppy on date. So you could just draw on these blank papers, and it's just fun. It's just a fun little big puppy. Look how cute he is. Well, did you have fun at Teppie's Funhouse today? I'm kidding. I would never say that again. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. Okay, bye.